Hi, today we're going to talk about how to solve systems of equations with substitution. We know that we can solve a system of equations by graphing the two lines, but sometimes we don't actually have a graph with us, so we can't graph. So instead what we'll do is called substitution, and let me show you what that is. Let's say we have the equation y equals 4x minus 2 and y equals 2x. We'll just call it 2x. If we don't have a piece of graph paper, we can't graph it. Instead, what we're going to do is set them equal to each other. So we're going to set this part equal to this part. And really what we're doing is we're getting rid of the y, and in its place we're substituting, or we're putting the 2x. Or we're getting rid of this y, and in its place we're substituting this, or we're putting this in its place. So I'm going to go ahead and write these two things set equal to each other, just like that. And now it's just a multi-step equation that we can solve. I'm going to go ahead and draw my wall. I'm going to choose the smaller x, which in this case is 2x. So I will subtract 2x on both sides. So now I have 2x minus 2 equals, well, anything minus itself is just 0 because there's nothing left over. And I'm going to add 2 to both sides. So now I have 2x equals 2, divide by 2 on both sides, and x equals 1. So we know the x-coordinate of our answer is 1. But for a system of equations solution, we need an x and a y value. So the y value is pretty easy. I'm just going to plug x back right here. So 4 times 1 is 4 minus 2, y equals 2. And I can check it here as well. If I did it here, 2 times 1 is just 2. So our answer to this system of equations that we did not graph, but instead we'd use substitution, is 1, 2.